Congratulations, you made it. Well done. It's not by happenstance that you've arrived here. You've been guided here. There is purpose on your life. Now, my name's Kevin Clark. I'm the founder of the Complete Clarity Coaching Program. I'm a transformational coach, a clarity coach, and I'm here to assist you, to help you on your journey. The Complete Clarity course is helping many people just like yourself live their best life. So if you have any distractions at the moment, like mobile phones, computers, tablets, etc., do put them to one side whilst listening to this information that has the potential to radically change your life. Welcome to the next level. Let's go. Dear friend, do you feel lost, directionless, and miserable in life? Usually, you find it hard to stay on track with your goals. You find yourself being distracted and derailed by new ideas and other people. In your own quiet moments, you feel like your life is stagnant and going nowhere. What am I doing with my life, you wonder? All these questions fill you with a sense of gloom and distress, which leads to apathy and depression. To make matters worse, you engage in escapist behaviours such as drugs, sets, video games, and food to numb the confusion and overwhelm. You worry that you're wasting your life, even when you know that you need to find your purpose so that you can live your best life. It feels like a hopeless endeavour. You feel confused, distracted, and overwhelmed, yet you get a sense that you have so much potential. You know that you could do so much more with your life if only you had clarity on which direction your life should take. Sadly, a lot of the advice that is out there on how to have clarity about your life path is incomplete. Often, your friends, family, and even experts will advise you to write down your goals or follow your passion. The problem is, this advice doesn't give you the tools, tactics, and practices that will actually help have a clear idea of where your life is heading. The surprising truth is that there are some little known practices and techniques that make it easy for you to discover your purpose and have a meaningful life. Fortunately for you, these practices and techniques are easy to master and apply. You can start applying them now and start seeing your life's path taking shape. Today, you'll learn how to clarify your life's path so that you can be happy and successful. For many years, I was just like you. I was completely lost and directionless. I found it hard to stay focused, and I set many goals that I didn't achieve. I had many abandoned projects and businesses lying around. My life had no clear purpose or meaning. I felt stuck, stagnant, and depressed. These uncomfortable feelings drove me to distract myself with social media, alcohol, and food. Because I had no clear goals and I was constantly distracted, my performance at work deteriorated. My friendships and relationships were not faring well. I had disappointed my loved ones because I was not living up to my full potential. Was I doomed to wander around in life without a clear purpose? I wondered. That's when I started studying the science and philosophy behind finding clarity, meaning, and purpose in life. I discovered the little known techniques and practices that make it easy to eliminate uncertainty and have a clear purpose. As soon as I started applying these techniques and practices, my life changed for the better. It was like night and day. Today, I know my purpose in life, and I ensure that every decision that I make is aligned with it. I have set clear goals that I try to achieve every day. I no longer feel lost and directionless. My depression and escapist behaviours have all gone away. I have a lot of focus, which has improved my performance at work. Because I'm happier and calmer, my relationships have improved. My life has meaning and purpose, which gives me a lot of joy and fulfillment. I am happy, successful, and fulfilled. And today, I want to share with you the discovery that changed my life. These secrets, techniques, and practices will guide you on how to get clarity on your life's purpose. You will be happier, successful, and fulfilled. Introducing Complete Clarity, how to eliminate uncertainty and find your true north. Complete Clarity is the ultimate guide for those who want to get rid of uncertainty so that they can live a meaningful and purpose-driven life. This blueprint will show you how to find your true north and have confidence about where your life is heading. This research-backed guide will teach you everything you need to know about getting clarity on your life's path for a focused and successful life. Follow the steps taught in this powerful guide and you'll start noticing changes immediately. If you're sick and tired, feeling empty and directionless in life, if you want to have a clear picture of your life's path, then you owe it to yourself and everyone around you to learn the simple but powerful steps taught in Complete Clarity. Here are some of the things that you will discover in this life-transforming program. The crucial question that you need to answer in early stages of your life. 2 questions that you must ask yourself before embarking on any journey. 5 dangers of following the crowd when making important life decisions, plus how to avoid them. 7 perks of finding your true north. How to identify distractions and obstacles in your life's journey. The surprising reason why you settle for less than you deserve. 7 signs that you lack clarity and focus in life. The secret to developing unshakable confidence. A simple but effective tool that can help you enhance your clarity and focus. How to eliminate uncertainty for good. The quickest, easiest way to set achievement goals. The crucial differences between a mentor and a sponsor and how they can help you achieve your goals. The little known reason why most people are uncertain about their goals. Struggling to live a meaningful life? Follow the tips in Chapter 5. 5 practices that can skyrocket your ability to think clearly. How to bounce back after making a mistake. How to stay on track so that you can achieve your goals. The sneaky reason why you struggle to find your true north and how to avoid it. Plus, many more powerful practices and techniques. This is the ultimate guide for those who want to have clarity on where their life is heading, have a strong sense of purpose, increase their ability to think clearly and focus. Improve their confidence. Avoid distractions so that they can pursue their goals to fruition. Achieve their biggest goals and dreams. Reduce anxiety and uncertainty in their lives. Improve their mental health. Here's the good news. Instead of charging this life-changing program at a ridiculous price, I am offering it to you at a tiny fraction of the actual cost. The reason behind this discount is because I want to help as many people like you to be able to eliminate uncertainty and find their true north. More importantly, I want you to start enjoying the beauty of having a clear purpose today. If you've watched up to this point, you're serious about letting go of a meaningless and directionless life. You're just a step away from being happier, more successful, and fulfilled. All you have to do is implement the secrets revealed in this blueprint for the next 30 days. And if you don't see any improvement in your life, simply return your order within 30 days and I'll give you 100% money back guarantee. No questions asked. If you get complete clarity right now, you will get these bonuses. Bonus 1. Complete checklist. The checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of complete clarity. By simply breaking one huge topic into easy digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity, inclusive of easy to follow action steps. Bonus 2. Comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you are going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through Complete Clarity by pages. Bonus 3. Complimentary 60 minutes of coaching with myself, Kevin Clark. If you feel as though you need some support to help you kickstart as you embark on your new journey, I'll be here to hold your hand, give you that bit of a push that you may need. If not, perfectly fine. However, it comes complete within this package. You get all the bonuses absolutely free, only if you act today. Now that you know how complete clarity can change your life for the best, you need to make a decision. You can either do nothing and continue feeling lost and directionless forever. You'll never be able to enjoy the benefits of living a purpose-driven life. Or you can take the step that will change your life instantly by taking advantage of our offer. You can't afford to miss it. As I've shown you, complete clarity will give you the skill set you need to find your purpose and live a fulfilled life fast. If by 30 days you don't like what you get from complete clarity, send me an email and I'll return 100% of your money back, no questions asked. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose by this offer. So why wait? Click the button below right now before the price goes up.